Hi, my name is Brandon Wheatela, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get access to the Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint platforms for free and not having to pay for them. Now, first thing to note is you're going to be doing this by creating a Gmail account, and there's a feature in your Gmail account that'll be called a Google Drive. I'll show you how to access that, and through that you'll be able to access these platforms. Now, first thing is that they're not Microsoft platforms, they're actually Google. But you're going to be able to do the same exact things that you would be able to do through Microsoft Excel, Word, and or PowerPoint. But you'll be able to do this through Google, what Google is able to offer you for free. All you have to do is create an account, and I will show you how to do that. So what you're going to do is go down here and you're going to go to gmail.com, click create an account. You're going to type in your name. For purposes of the tutorial, I'm going to type in a random name. Your username has to be unique, so it's going to tell you to, create something that's never been created before. Now, password has a limit, so like I said, whatever you like. Okay. Now it's going to ask you to put your phone number and stuff, and you don't need to do that. Like I said, it says optional right up there. Put your birth date if you'd like, or just do something random. Then click next. Okay, now it's going to do privacy and terms. Don't worry about too much about that. Just click agree. Let it load for a second. And like I said, this is going to be a really nice tool. Once I go through it, it's going to give you these platforms, but completely free. And I'll also show you how to submit something on Blackboard whenever you do create a document. So yeah, this will take a second or two, and like I said, now it's loading up. So now I have my Gmail account that is coming up, and it gives you a little welcome. It's like any other email account. It's very nice to use too if you want to use it for other things. But this is going to be the home page. So how you're going to access the Google Drive is you're going to go right up here to your Google Apps, go down here to Drive, and then you're going to have this whole page. Now this is your Drive account, so any document that you create will automatically be saved on here. So I'll show you, if I want to create something, I can go to New. You have Google Docs, which will be your Microsoft Word, or the what's related to it. The Google Sheets, which will be your Excel, and Google Slides. Let me click that again. Google Slides, which will be the PowerPoint. Like I said, all of these different documents are all going to be, the same thing as PowerPoint, Excel, or you'll be able to do the same exact things. But we'll focus on Word. So if I wanted to create a document for class, then I could type down here, this is my project. So like I said, this is, let's say I just created a document, or I want to submit something to class. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here to File, and I'm going to click Download As. So what you're going to download is a Microsoft Word document. These are formats that teachers do like. So it's downloading it to your computer. So like I said, you can always delete it after you submit it, but this is kind of how you're saving it, or at least going to be able to submit it to Blackboard. So now that it is downloaded as tutorial project, and right up here is where you're going to name it as well. Let's go to Blackboard. So I go to Blackboard, and for example, I'm on my business writing class, so I can go to, let's see, submit assignments. I can go to project video tutorial. I'm not actually going to submit it, but just showing you. And I can go, let's find the tutorial over here. So what it's saved as. Okay. So there's my tutorial project. I can click that, and now it's right there. And I could submit it if I would like to. I'm not going to, but that's something I can do. Now, going back to Google Drive, so for example, I can exit out of this, right? I'm going to exit out of that, exit out of that. Now, since I created a document and wrote something and downloaded it, I can go back to my Drive. Here you go. And what you're going to see here is my project. So since I downloaded it to the computer, it's also going to be in my Drive, which is automatically going to be saved. You can also delete it if you like, but like I said, it's a nice storage area for you. Like I said, this is a very simple way to get different platforms for free. They're not exactly Microsoft, but they're Google, and you can do the exact same things. So if I pulled back up the Microsoft Word, I'm going to have everything that you could have on there. So spelling, word count, there's a dictionary, I got bullet points, I got the double space for lines, bold, italicized fonts, all of that good stuff. So you're getting a lot on here. And also, if I wanted to, I could create a folder, English. I can click English class, for example, if I want to put all my documents in here and save everything here. But yeah, so this is how you get Microsoft products for free. And thank you for watching my tutorial.